Is that that's a helicopter. Yo, they got the whirly bird on us. Yo, open the door.
I stopped complaining, I went to go get it. I had to get focused and start paying attention. I started slipping, my palm started itching. I had to start thinking, I miss Sunday listen. I got some niggas that come from the bottom. They handle my shit from New Hampshire to Richmond. Y'all but I party and while I work like a slave, put myself in position. Never these focus, I like on the mission. I mean what I say, don't got time to pretend it. I don't got time to fuck around with you niggas. I don't got time to fuck around with you. You feeling the finish, stop looking at me.
They be doing all kinds of cool shit, man. They be doing like tactical. I just did a tactical class last night.
Wow. I love see black man. He just put his D. What's up, guys? It's your boy Kim, Mr.Rockoff Johnson here with another video. In case you can't tell from the title, we were back at the gun range, but this time we're at, what is this? Cindy's Shots. Wow. Little spot. Say hi, Bree.
Hi, Bree.
Bree actually hit me up, was like, Keon, you trying to go to the gun range? And of course I was like, yeah. So of course, you know, if I went to the gun range, I had to bring my boy Marco, aka LTMR security. Was that a big dog? Now, at the time now I'm starting the start of this, we actually just finished, and unfortunately he wasn't able to use his guns because his Glock is chambered in 40 and his
rifle is chambered in 45.
High point is chambered in 45, and they didn't have either. So, and he didn't bring his shotgun, so we couldn't use that. So that, you know, that was disappointing. But either way, we still got it busy here. This was a cool spot, man. And how much it cost, Bree?
Altogether, it would have been $215. So $215 divided by 3.
$215 divided. And yeah, that's how much it costs for all of us to come in. So it's a cool little spot. A guy was just, I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in here like in a second, but a guy was just telling us about, you know, how it's a cool little spot, and he been shooting here for a year, and they did some tactical class yesterday, so I might have checked this spot out. But yeah, I ain't gonna bore y'all too much more than that. We're gonna go ahead and actually get to the shooting.
Okay, so it was a whole bunch of complications. They don't have my rounds at all. So all they had was 9mm. So I had to really gun. Wow. So yeah, I know. But I still got my SPK though, so it still works. So you can throw it in there. Yeah.
Nothing like booty and guns. Booty and guns. So,
I can't shoot with
They got 40 or 45.
I can't shoot with nails.
I'm about to say, you good. You're good.
Damn, again. That's
About to say, go ahead. You haven't had a stock 19 in your hand in a while.
I know. That's what I'm saying here, like.
Okay. You see it?
Okay.
Yeah.
I really like it,
Look at the stance. Fireball. Damn, don't play with him, Marco.
Yeah, I don't like these sights that much.
Yeah, I
Like,
told you.
This is just horrible.
Told you. We don't like them.
pull, like, as soon as I pull the trigger, my nail gets stuck. So then the thing gets stuck in the middle.
How are you gripping it? Like the trigger? Is it going like right here, or are you gripping it right here? Like the middle of your finger?
Do it with the middle of your finger.
Move that back just slightly. A little bit up. No, this way a little bit. Yeah. Try to keep
That
it.
feel weird, cause then I feel like my nail's going bend.
I mean, if you feel that way, you gotta try to get it on the middle of the tip of your finger. It's real weird, but
I'm just gonna cut my nail. That's all.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna hit this one up. We are live. telling you, a bitch can shoot this. I'm telling you, a bitch can shoot this.
Damn.
Slow. Okay. Huh?
Okay. Look. See the top part of this?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. That's why I'm sitting there like, why the f is it doing that shit?
Look, I'm over here trying to adjust and okay.
Yeah, you see this is coming
Yeah, that's
out.
coming
I don't know,
off.
that never happened before.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna finish this.
Yeah, just finish it. I gotta fix it.
All right. We're good.
Yeah, let me see.
Look, and I'm over there trying to adjust and everything, and I'm like, I can't be going that low. There's no way. And I remember when we shot with it before, you know?
Oh. Screw pop off. I gotta get new screws. So you like apparently all three of these popped off. I don't know when this shit popped off, but all three of them popped off. That's the only thing that was keeping it down. That's why I was sitting there like, why is it aiming like that?
Yeah. See, look, and I was over there, and I'm like, I shouldn't be aiming like this. Like, I'm overcorrecting way. I'm having to overcorrect way too much.
Fuck up. And I'm like, I ain't supposed to do that.
Nah.
Definitely not supposed to do that.
Shoot. Lost it. Yeah. I got you. I'm gonna get video of you finishing that out. Hold up.
Oh.
Yeah, you know how it is. Yep. That's it. All right. Look, y'all. We didn't realize we had already paid for the boxes, and yeah, we didn't realize we accidentally left one. So now I got a box of 9mm, and
I got my here.
don't catch wreck. Don't catch wreck out here. Don't catch wreck. All right, guys. I just realized I never got done filming the final, like the closeout of the video and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and close it out here. Make sure you get the merch. Merch link down in the description below. Real quick, hold up. Look at that. So that's the paper that we actually was finishing out on. Bree has the other paper that we were shooting. And if you haven't seen our other gun video, make sure you check that out. When me and Marco went on my birthday, where we actually did get a chance to shoot all of his guns instead of renting the guns that we had. So make sure you check that out. It should be popping up in the corner right now. But yeah, if you are not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Make sure you get the merch link down in the description below. And as always, guys, you stay classy, stay positive, and have a good day. What is a car enthusiast? An individual that loves anything to do with cars and its counterparts. And one who can talk for hours about cars and not get tired of it.